This is Marina and I'll introduce you to electronic health records and its advantages to the healthcare system. Remember when going to the doctor's office? It looked like the picture on the left. Now it looks more like the picture on the right. Across the country, more and more doctors' offices are using electronic health records. As of 2016, over 95% of all hospitals have demonstrated meaningful use of electronic health record incentive programs. Before discussing the benefits of using electronic health records, think about how many times you used the healthcare system, how many times you visited your family doctor or hospital emergency or had an x-ray or filled a prescription. Have you ever wondered how all that information shared between these points of care, or it's even shared at all? Now think about how this could affect the healthcare you receive. First, it provides a better quality of patient care and emergency care, as it helps healthcare providers get patients clear medical records more rapidly than with traditional methods. It also provides security of patients' healthcare data, as electronic health records are protected with a secured access controls and encryptions technique, so that it can be accessed only by authorized user. Additionally, it helps reduction of medical errors, as it eliminates the issue of lost or misplaced patient documents, while additionally eliminating medical errors that can occur from interpretation. Another benefit for electronic health record is that it increases efficiency and productivity, as it permits concentrated chart management and instant access to patient information from any place with condition-specific queries. And lastly, in healthcare industry, clinicians and staff spends large portion of working hours on filling out and processing forms. Through electronic health record system, all the records are saved in digital format, which results in reduced paperwork and cost saving.
Hi, I'm Megan Tran, and I will be talking about privacy and security of EHR and the development trends. So, a key concern for EHR is privacy and the inoperability of having a national network. A major critic of EHR, Dr. Pell, states that 12 million people will need access to the data. So, with that many people, a data breach is just bound to happen. Therefore, accountability is greatly needed for all parties who deal with it, and the habits and attitudes need to shift for a successful adoption of EHR. For development trends, there are technical ones. The technical trends require that with maturity in the web, there will need to be a new integrated framework capable of knowledge translation. For business trends, there are three steps that usually occur. The first is initiation, where a small business focuses on a small aspect like billing, and they develop a proprietary software to develop credibility, which they can leverage for money. Next is acquisition, where the small venture seeks to be acquired by a bigger company so they could help build upon what the previous company has done. Lastly is consolidation, where the company decides whether or not they want to stay or leave the market or become the standard. Currently, EHR is in the middle phase. Overall, I found this article very interesting, and I shared the same concerns of regarding privacy and how they would keep all the data safe and prevent breaches. I feel that there needs to be more than accountability and attitude shifts. First, there needs to be more awareness of the advantages of EHR and how helpful it could be in healthcare. And then everyone could be on the same page and in one unit, and then it would flow smoothly.
My name is Sabrina, and I'm going to be talking about exactly what Leapfrog is. So Leapfrog is a coalition of large employers and other major purchasers of the healthcare services. They tend to work with things like the CPOE, which my team member will talk about in the next slide. It is rare when a medication list is actually up to date, so it's Leapfrog's mission to help better hospitals. They recommend that the hospitals do work with the IT department in order to better their CPOE. Since in 2001, only 2% of hospitals actually met with their criteria. It has changed since then, but my partner will be talking about that more on the next slide.
Hello, my name is Victoria Chan, and I'll be talking about the CPOE system. So the CPOE system has been improving. However, in 2015, it was noted that it missed 39% of potentially harmful drugs and 13% of fatal medication orders. So in the recent years, it has been seen to be stagnating, and patients are still potentially receiving high medication dosage, which can potentially cause risk to their health. With alerts, physicians can be made aware if there has been a missed dosage of medication. However, it is hard to find the balance in between how many alerts are most effective. If a physician gets too many alerts, then there can be a point where they begin to ignore them, or physicians may believe that they know what's best for the patient and disregard the alerts, which may lead to problems in the future. However, there have been some hospitals that have taken measures for accountability. Another issue is that the CPOE system may not be up to date, which is a problem as it is being consistently used to prescribe medication. As medicine is consistently changing and improving, if the CPOE system is not up to date, then it becomes less efficient for physicians to use as they will be prone to make more errors. However, on the flip side of things, many hospitals actually have begun meeting Leapfrog's CPOE implementation standards, and this has given hope that the error rates will decrease in the future.
Hey, my name is Eric, and I'm going to be discussing about electronic health records as well as the CPOE system. So, just a little summary about what my group members talked about. So, an electronic health records system is a collection of electronic health information about individual patients or populations and is able to be shared across different healthcare settings. So, it's a network basically that is able to share patient information around. So, some of the benefits, as we can see, is that the system is more automated, it's more efficient, it's more productive. Information could be shared in an instant. With that, it's also accessible. It can lead to better quality of patient care and emergency care. It's more secure and private due to the security they put in and the encryption they put in patient health information. They're prone to less medical errors, and they're also, as I've said before, reduces paperwork and saves a lot of money and a lot of time because you don't have to be filling out forms, processing them. It's in the system and it's easily searchable. So the CPOE is the process of healthcare providers to enter and send treatment instructions like medication through a computer app. So it's used by physicians to consistently prescribe medicine and to order it. So with that comes benefits and risks. So hopefully the EHR and CPOE systems can further be improved if the healthcare field as well as the IT systems work together to create a better product that is more efficient, more safe, and can be helpful for our future.